Welcome. Hello. Today we are going to be reviewing something. Vegemite. This was purchased by a viewer. Vegemite yeast extract, proudly made in Australia since 1923. 220 grams. It's got some other stuff in it too. From everybody that I've talked to previously about this, the first taste of Vegemite should be pure Vegemite, just on its own. Oh, the smell. I'm gonna put that back on here. Let's talk about this a little bit before I actually get into this. I thought there was gonna be like a little plastic layer of something over top and it wasn't gonna actually fill my room immediately. It smells like molasses. It doesn't actually smell that bad. It doesn't smell good. Kind of looks like molasses. Ingredients. First impression, just by the smell and how it looks. The look of it doesn't make me think automatically that it would taste bad because it looks like Nutella, and Nutella tastes really good. But the smell of it doesn't smell like something I would choose to eat. It smells like molasses, kinda. Like molasses that's expired. That's the best way I can describe it. I don't know if molasses can expire, but if it could, this is what it would smell like. I happen to have my very own personal toaster right here. And also some bread. So we're gonna throw this bread in the toaster. We got some butter as well. So we're gonna butter the toast. We're gonna put some of this Vegemite on top. So here we go. Let's do it. Not the perfect slice of bread, but they'll do. Yeah, I don't know. This is good. It's bread. I'll show you the toaster afterwards, but it's plugged in right now. Should I turn off the chat on here so that you can see the toaster a little better? Okay, let's do it. Now we wait. So it's on. It's definitely toasting the bread. So that's good. I'm gonna prep the butter by removing the lid. Butter. And we'll pre-open the Vegemite lid. Just so it's ready, we can just get right into it. It's like a speed run. Yep, purple. You guys know what that means. Nothing actually happens for that one. That's like the dud one. It's just, I have a chat command. What did Swan say? You get brake flips sometimes when someone uses the microwave in the kitchen because your room is right next to the kitchen. That used to happen. It's ready. Let's do this. Let's do this. Some perfectly toasted bread. Knife, butter. I'm making sure to put a generous helping of butter on the toast. Okay, here we go. Vegemite. Looks like chocolate. It looks like chocolate to me. Is that enough for like a piece of toast, or should I put some more? Let's spread it on the toast like that. Is that what it's supposed to look like? This looks pretty good. That's like how I would put stuff on toast. So this is the authentic way Australians eat Vegemite on toast. Cheers. Wow. You know, you could save a lot of money if you just poured salt on your bread, right? And get the same effect. Oh, why would you eat this? I don't like it. It wasn't as bad as I thought it was gonna be, but it's very salty, which is what I've heard. I do like it more than Marmite. I've tried Marmite, but I just keep tasting salt. It just tastes like salt to me. Oh, like it looks so good. Why does it look? It looks like chocolate and it tastes like salt. Ugh. Maybe I'll have a giveaway for this Vegemite. Now time for the spoon. Yeah. No way. I know what it tastes like now. I'm not gonna put a spoonful in my mouth. That's disgusting. Cheers. I'm not eating it. That's so gross. Oh, I don't know. I'm not gonna chew it. That's so bad. You want some? It's not that bad.
Absolutely.
It's chocolate.
No, thank you.
Look how chocolatey.
You put so much on there.
It's chocolate. Chad, is it chocolate? It's they wouldn't lie. Vegemite. I don't like it. Would not recommend it. I think pouring a cup of salt on toast would save you money and taste better. If you really want the yeast flavor, just grab some yeast and throw it on there too. Probably tastes better than this. Like, how did they make this? Why did they make this? Why did they think this was a good idea? Does it like repel snakes? Like, if you eat this, does it repel snakes and spiders? Like, can they smell it? And they're like, I'm not going over there because he had Vegemite. If that was the reason why people ate this in Australia, that would make sense. But I don't really like it. Nope, it doesn't go bad. That's because it already is bad. It can't get any worse. How could it get worse? It doesn't go bad. Official rating of the Vegemite on toast, it was not good at all, but I will give it the 1 out of 10 Vegemite. Go get yourself a jar